In this video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you love to change your profile picture, this is my current PC profile picture, right? If I would love to save it, I'm gonna just right click my mouse. I'm gonna click on the personalize. From there, you can see the background. Open it, right? You can see there's a lot of background images here, right? You can select this, you can select this, you can select this. You select whichever you're gonna select, right? Once I've selected it, let me say I want to select this, right? If I go back to my background, you can see this is my current profile picture. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys love this profile picture? Let me know below in the comment section. Or should I be using my main profile picture, right? So that is this one. And from here you can choose a fit for your desktop image. It can be filled, it can be fit, it can be stretched, all this, right? So this is basically how you can change your profile picture in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next one.